Hey, it's Emerson, and today I'm breaking down how you can build a killer home gym. No matter if you've got a full basement, a cramped apartment, or just a tiny corner next to your bed. Let's kick things off with the absolute basics. If you think you need a ton of space or cash, forget it. All you really need is a plan and a few smart pieces of equipment. First up, dumbbells. These are the MVPs of any home gym. You can tuck them under your bed or in a closet, but they'll still give you a full body workout. Whether you're doing curls, squats, or shoulder presses, dumbbells are versatile and space saving. Next, the exercise ball. Trust me, this thing is a game changer. It takes up almost no room, but it's awesome for core work, stretching, and even as a makeshift bench. When you're done, just deflate it or tuck it into a corner. Now, if you've got a little extra space, grab an exercise bench. It's a classic for a reason. Great for presses, step-ups, dips, you name it. And if you're clever, it doubles as a storage rack for your dumbbells too. Alright, cardio lovers, I've got you covered. If you've got a hallway or just a few feet to spare, snag a compact treadmill or elliptical machine. They're both fantastic for getting your heart rate up without ever leaving the house. Foldable versions, even better. Slide them away when you're done and reclaim your floor. But here's my secret weapon. The mini trampoline. Yup, you heard me. Not only is it fun, but it's low impact and gets your blood pumping in minutes. Just a few bounces between sets or as a quick cardio finisher, and you'll wonder why you didn't get one sooner. So, how do you set it all up? Simple. If you've got a spare room, arrange your gear so you've got a clear path for movement. In a tiny space, stack your dumbbells, keep the bench collapsed, hang the ball on a hook, and store the trampoline upright. It's like gym Tetris. Remember, it's not about the size of your gym. It's about how you use it. Start small, stay consistent, and before you know it, you'll have a space that's all your own. Built for progress, not perfection. Ready to sweat anywhere, anytime? I know I am. See you in the next workout.